How to create a histogram in Origin. Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a histogram in OriginLab step by step, one of the most powerful ways to visualize frequency distributions. And by the way, if you're a student, researcher, or PhD scholar struggling with data visualization, analysis, or writing, make sure to check out my website backhandindexpointingrightintudo4u.com, where my team and I provide expert academic support, research help, and AI-powered tools to make your journey smoother. First, let's bring in some sample data. I've created an Excel sheet of 50 exam scores out of 100, perfect for demonstrating histograms. To import this data into Origin, go to File, Import Excel, and select your file. Now your data is ready in a worksheet. Highlight the column with the exam scores, in this case column A, because that's what we'll use for the histogram. Now go to Plot Statistics Histogram. And instantly, Origin generates the histogram for us. Simple, right? Of course, a raw histogram isn't enough. Let's customize it. Double-click the bars to adjust bin width, I'll use 5 points here. Change bar colors for clarity. Add axis labels like exam scores and frequency. Finally, right-click to add a normal distribution curve. This makes your graph look more professional and research-ready. Once your graph is ready, go to File, Export Graphs and save it as PNG, JPEG, or TIFF, perfect for research papers or presentations. And that's it. You just created a professional histogram in Origin using real data. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and most importantly, visit my website backhandindexpointingrightintudo4u.com. There, expert guidance in research writing, data analysis, and AI-powered academic tools that can save you hours of work. So head over to intudo4u.com and take your research skills to the next level. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.